Do you want to run ads on Google Ads and looking for how much does Google Ads cost? Then, in this video, I'm going to tell you how much does Google Ads cost. So, let me see first the question, and then I'm going to answer regarding it. So the question I got recently is what it cost me in ad spend budget to get 65 to 70 business leads a month to my hardwood floor contracting company. I would like to only targeting customers who want to restore their hardwood refinishing. The location would be San Jose. So for anyone, be it this hardware floor contracting company or be it for anyone, this may be a very common question. How much does the Google Ads cost? Because as a businessman, you wanted to know how much you're going to spend to get the return. So your question is valid. There is no harm in question. And what people do is what they do is they try doing putting their main keyword on let's say on Google keyword planner to see how much does it cost. They do various practices to figure out and make an estimation on how much does it cost, or use competitor tools like spy, for which we use over here. So I'm just going to write you for over here just to give you a rough idea, and then I will discuss more regarding on it. So this is just you can see over here that this keyword also does not have anything good, so I'm going to make it more easy. So guys can have a clear idea. So I may even sorry, I'm sorry, just going to refresh it because I wanted to click something different. So for floor contracting, you get to see different ideas, different leads, different costs, CPCs. You may see a lot of stuff over here as well. So not much over here. So we can see some relevant keywords, and for here we can get the search volume forecast, and we can write something like contract flooring to see what people are saying. Okay, this is not telling much over here because not much ads being run over here. But when people say write it, and they often get this CPC and they assume that this is your CPC. No, this is not how your CPC is calculated, guys. With Google Ads, the majority driving factor is the quality score. Understand it. The quality score, the better your quality score, you are lesser going to pay. Okay, so how the quality score is being determined is usually through optimizing your relevancy, relevant ad, relevant landing page, relevant keyword campaigns, optimized structures, and high CTR. This is in shortened. I have a long detailed lecture on my YouTube channel account as well on how you can optimize your quality score. But for instance, if your competitor is paying $3.4 like being told over here, 6.4 over here, it doesn't necessarily that you have to pay the similar amount. You can even rank on the same position and pay just even $1 or more, or even lesser. How? By optimizing a quality score. The basic fundamental of optimizing quality score is usually done by a Google Ads professional, which is why I recommend people to hire a Google Ads professional, Google Ads company to get this sorted. We as a Google Ads partner company, we do all of these things, or at least we recommend to get your Google Ads account audited once in a while. So in case if you need our services, you can hire me and my team. Just to let you know that my name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of Google Ads partner company. And in case if you need help or assistance with the Google Ads campaign, you can hire us through the link in the description. Now coming back, how you can, if you want to optimize your quality score your way, focus on few things. Create smaller campaigns, like with 3 to 6 keywords. Have a high look on your conversion tracking, your ads CTR, your relevancy. Keyword match type should be phrase or exact match. In my opinion, look around for your day times when you get the most clicks. Create separate campaigns, optimize your quality score, and this way you can beat it, because the Google wants people with having high quality score to their ads to be shown more, because Google thinks that those ads are more relevant and people are much more likely to click because they are what they're looking for. So Google prefer those ads which have high quality score and high CTR. And why you have to pay less when you get a good CTR is because on an average a poor advertiser has, let's say, $3.64 as a CPC, but no one is clicking on their ad. Google is not generating any income, so Google is, even at 3.64, the advertiser is more costly. But let's say if you're paying $1 to Google for each ad, but your ad is highly relevant, highly clickable, and people are clicking much more on your ad, so Google is actually earning more from your ad. Also, you're just paying $1. So this is just a theory. However, a detailed lecture is on my YouTube channel for quality score. However, optimize your campaigns and make the most out of it through Google Ads. So again, in case if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. And still, if you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Take care. Bye bye.